everyone. Hello, this is YouTube, and today I got my new dog. So I'll show you the doggies. So here we actually just made our own customs things. Here we have ourselves Milo's Kitchen meatballs. We have tons of these. This dog loves these. We have 3 of them. This one is that she's eating right now. We also have. We're gonna upgrade this bucket soon. This thing right here, we're gonna upgrade it later. We give her these Bentiful. And I'm not opening that. And I got our food in here. And we put with Bentiful. And then we have bacon strips. We're almost out of these guys. I'll show you. There's some actually. But I think we're going to upgrade later. We're going to have to upgrade our storage on her dog food and all that. Like later, because she's eat a lot. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Lady, sit. There we go. Here you go. She loves these things. But yeah, this is just the update video. So we're actually cooking burgers. God, it's hot. So here we have our this is our garage basically. Pretty freaking huge. So yeah, here is all my Nerf guns. This is where I modify them, all of them. Have hammer. But yeah, Versus is the this is our new dog. So yeah, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed a little video, and yeah.